Hello guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to share an important update with you guys. If you participated in DoctorX mining, you need to go and download Xportal app and create a wallet in preparation for DoctorX Airdrop. But before we start the process, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, to start the process, go to your Play Store. Okay, you search for Xportal. Xportal wallet. Okay, this is it here. This is the Xportal wallet. I will install it. Okay guys, we have successfully installed the wallet. I'll go back now and launch the app. So go back. This is the app Xportal. I'll click on it. I'll click on create wallet. Then I'll click on create passcode. I will enter passcode that I will be using to unlock this wallet. Okay, I will enable biometrics, that's using my fingerprint or face ID to unlock the wallet. And my wallet is ready. I'll click on enter Xportal. I'll click on continue. I don't want notification. Okay guys, we have successfully created the wallet in preparation for DoctorX Airdrop. Next thing we need to do is to back it up. It's very important. You need to save the recovery phrase of that wallet. So let's proceed. I'll click on this profile here. I'll select settings. I'll click on security. I'll select secret phrase. You can see secret phrase not backed up. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on view secret phrase. Okay, I will click I understand. I will continue. I will click I understand. You have to store your secret phrase safely. Okay, I'll click on it again. I will have to arrange these words exactly as it appears above. If I share my secret phrase, I will lose my money. Okay guys, I've seen the secret phrase. I'll back it up manually. I prefer backing it up manually, so I'll click on add. Then I will enter the secret phrase again. Okay guys, we have successfully backed up the wallet. After creating your own wallet, make sure you write out the seed phrase and save it securely. Okay, I will continue. We are backed up now. I'll go back. Okay guys, this is all. We have created the wallet. We have backed it up. We are now prepared for DoctorX Airdrop. And for you to boost your DoctorX Airdrop or earn more from DoctorX Airdrop, go back to DoctorX app. You click on this money bag here at the bottom. Okay, make sure you complete all the tasks here. You can see I've completed 79 tasks. Do all the tasks that you can, except the ones that demand referrals that you might not be able to meet, but complete all the other tasks and you'll be able to earn a decent DoctorX token. Please, if you gain value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends. Share it on all your social media platforms to help others. Let them know what they need to do in preparation for DoctorX Airdrop. DoctorX TGE is on 4th of December, so have less than 2 weeks to prepare for the airdrop. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.